A for apple.
A, B, C, come sing with me. Wiggly, giggly, happy as can be.
A is for apple, juicy and sweet. A crunchy red fruit that's fun to eat.
G is for goat, nibble on a leaf, skipping and hopping like a comic relief. H is for horse, clip, clop, stride, galloping fast on
is
the
for
countryside.
ball, bouncing
I
so
is for
high,
ice cream,
roll it,
swirling
throw it,
around.
watch it fly.
Melty, delty, sweetness that we found.
C
J is
for cat.
joker, juggling colors for you and me. K is for kite in the breezy
C
sky.
is for
Swishy,
cat,
swishy,
gentle
flying
and
up
sweet.
high. L is for
Purring
lion with a
softly
mighty
with
roar.
tiny
Soft
feet.
and friendly
D for dog.
A, B, C, come sing with me. Wiggly,
D
giggly,
is for
happy as can
dog,
be.
wagging its
Jump up, high,
tail.
clap, 1,
Happy
2, 3.
little friend
Let's
that
learn
loves to
letters
play.
joyfully.
E
A,
for
B, C,
elephant.
come sing with me. Wiggly, giggly, happy as can be. Jump up, high, clap, 1, 2, 3.
E is for elephant, strong and kind. Now, biggest gentle giant you'll ever find.
F for fish.
A, B, C, come sing with me. Wiggly,
F
giggly,
is
happy
for
as can be.
fish.
Jump
Swimming
up, high,
so
clap, 1, 2, 3.
Deep
Let's
in
learn
the
letters
ocean,
joyfully.
under
A,
the
B,
sea.
C, come sing
G
with me.
for
A silly
goat.
little alphabet jamboree. Here's a apple, crunchy delight.
G
Red
is for
and
goat,
shiny.
climbing so
Take
high
a
they
big bite.
hopping on hills close to the
For
sky.
bowl. Boing,
H
boing,
for
round.
horse.
Rolling around with the silly
H is
C
for
is for
horse,
cat.
fast and bright, running through fields
D
with
is for
pure
dog.
delight. I for ice cream.
E is for elephant, trump, trump beat. Splashing water in the jungle heat. F is for fish.
I is
Swish,
for
swish,
ice
slide.
cream.
Bubbly friends in
Yummy
the
and
ocean
cold
tide.
guy.
A, B, C,
Sweetest
come sing
treat
with
for
me.
young and
Wiggly,
old.
giggly, happy as
J
can
for
be.
joker.
High clap, 1, 2, 3. Let's learn letters joyfully. Hey, A, B, C, come sing with me.
J is for joker, funny and bright, making kids laugh with all his might.
K for Keith. K is for kite, soaring so high that dancing with the wind up in the sky.
1, 2, 3. Let's
L for lion.
S is for sun, golden and bright, shimmer, glimmer, magical light.
L
T is
is for
tiger,
lion,
stripy and
brave
bold,
and strong,
tiptoes
king of the
through
jungle,
the cold.
all day
U is
long.
for umbrella, pop it wide, raindrop, plop, drop by your side. B is for van, going beep, 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 rolling down hills so steep.
M
W
is for monkey,
watch, tick,
funny
tick,
and sweet,
time, chime
jumping
in
on
perfect
trees with
rhyme.
happy
X
feet.
is for sonophone, ding, ding, dong.
N for nest.
Play a rainbow song. Y is for yak, fluffy and tall, snowy, blowy, mountain call. Z is for zebra, black and white stripes, zoom, zoom, running with zigzag vibes.
O for orange.
O is for orange, juicy and round, sweetest citrus fruit around.
P for parrot.
T is for parrot, clever and bright, talking all day with pure delight.
Q for queen.
Q is for queen, royal and fair, shining with grace everywhere.
R for rabbit.
R is for rabbit, quick on its feet per man, nibbling carrots so fresh and sweet.
S for sun.
S is for sun, warm and bright,
lighting the world with golden light.
T for tiger.
T is for tiger, strong and bold. Stripes of orange with lines of gold.
Come sing with me.
U for umbrella.
Jump up high, clap 1, 2, 3. Let's learn letters joyfully. S
U
for
is
sun,
for
golden
umbrella.
and bright,
Bright
shimmer,
and
glimmer,
wide.
magical
Keeping
light.
us dry
T is
when
for
we
tiger,
go
stripy
outside.
and bold.
V
Tiptoe,
for
tiptoe through the cold. U is for umbrella, power
One.
wide. Raindrop, drop, drop by your side.
V is for van. Steady and true. Taking us places far and
W is for
new.
watch, tick, tick, time.
W for watch.
Perfect rhyme. X is for sonophone, ding, ding, dong. Colorful bars play a rainbow song. Y
W is for
yak,
watch,
fluffy
tick-tock
and
sound
tall,
lantern,
snowy,
counting each
blowy,
second
mountain
round
call.
and round.
Z is for zebra, black and white stripes. Zoom,
X
zoom,
for
running with
xylophone.
zigzag vibes.
X is for xylophone, rainbow tone antic, music that sings in every zone.
Yak.
Y is for yak, furry and strong, living in the mountains all day long.
Z for zebra.
Z is for zebra, black and white llama, running with stripes so bright.